We're going to the park. It's going to be a lot of fun. My name is Joe. This is my companion, Winston. He is 8 years old. He was born March 3rd, 2006. He's an English bulldog. He, like most bulldogs, he has health problems. He primarily has hip issues, but it really doesn't let it get in his way of having fun. I'm just gonna mention a few things that we do every Sunday. First, we go for a walk in the park to start off, and then we get him on the swing, and then I join him on a slide. Then I throw him a few balls. Winston. Where is it? Easy, easy, easy. I forgot to mention, by the way, that he had his bar mitzvah recently. So proud of him. Mazel tov, Winston. So proud. He's pretty ready to go home.
Got a friend in me. You got a friend in me.
Catch you guys later.